From the woods and waters, lakes and streams, the outdoors calls us to chase our northern Michigan dreams. We are family, we are friends, our adventures start where the pavement ends. Come along and join in the fun. We here at D&D Wild Outdoors hold our passion for the wild second to none.
Morning guys, Derek with D&D Wild Outdoors. We're in the old Ford. We are headed to some panfish lakes. Today we're looking for crappies, gills, and anything else that'll bite, big perch, anything. We're gonna do kind of a double set on two different lakes. This is gonna be a run and gun style day. It is windy. We've got about 11 mile an hour wind. It is 22 degrees, so it's cold. It's going to be nasty. It's going to be hard work. We're going to do our best to bring you guys along. We're going for bluegills on the first lake that we're going for. We're going to check all the 25-foot basins in this lake. And there's two major basins in this lake with muddy bottoms. So we're looking for that mud flat type of 30-foot bottoms, 25-foot bottoms. We're going to punch a bunch of holes and do some searching in this weather. Today could be recon only, I'm not sure. If the bite's slow, we mark fish. They don't bite. Tomorrow we'll make a return. The day's going to clear, the wind's going to die. So we're going to try two different types of weather conditions. But as you can see in the back, we've got pretty much everything. We've got bobber rods, slip bobber rods for live bait and minnows, which we do have. We've got tip-ups. For walleye, if that just so happens to be where we end up. We've got light jigging rods with tungstens, plastics. We got wax worms to tip those with if needs be. We're gonna try something really crazy about dark. We're gonna load up on this this crappie lake that we're headed to as a secondary lake today, and we're going to. I got a marine battery charged up. And we're going to drop a drop light for the first time. This is the first time I've ever done this. So we've heard through the grapevine and have watched YouTube videos on this. And that seems to be, there seems to be a good night bite using an LED drop light. So we just purchased one. We got everything loaded up to do that. In the back of the truck, you can see we got the double clam back there. So we're gonna give it a whirl today. We're gonna work our butts off in this cold and try out some new lakes. Northern Michigan pride, digging deep, looking for the bite. Dying to get on some gills, dying to get on some crappies, really. So stick with us, guys. Hope to bring you some action, D&D in the wild here. So stay tuned. We'll get back with you on the ice.
Just hooked up on the jig rod, guys. Crappie. We're on a school right here. Gotta try to get back down there real fast. They don't stick around very long. In fact, they're bailing out right now. Gosh darn it. Nice crappie though. No, they're leaving. Oh man. Such a battle getting on these guys. They're out here in I was just over on that hole. I marked them when I got there, and I ran over here because I figured they were gonna move holes, and all they're doing is just trolling around in here. Like I said, I just came from 25 feet away, where I got into one. And just like that, they've moved on. Now I need to go to the next holes, the closest holes around me, see where they've moved to. Oh. hooked up, guys. Crappies, are you kidding me? Oh, slop. No. Oh, I got him. Look at these guys. Hammering them out here. We got a pile up. Holy crap. My hand is soaked, cold, wet. Look at this. Smashing on some slabs, you guys. They're 4 feet under the ice. Oh, here's another one. There it is. Oh, come on, stay pinned. Stay pinned. Oh, I lost him. Oh, that was not smart. Oh my gosh, I just soaked my arm. Oh my gosh. Wow, that was not smart. Well guys, that was crazy. I didn't get it all on video by any means. It happened so fast. 1 crappie, 2 crappies, 3 crappies, 4, big old 12-incher, 5, 6. They came through so fast, hot and heavy. Man, I was stupid and dunked my arm in the lake. It's literally 11 degrees out here. That was not wise, but man, I had to try to get him. Gosh, that was crazy. They all those fish were about 5 feet under the ice. Just simply incredible. Us light line, 2-pound test using little tungstens with plastic. Man, that was insane. I'm gonna keep hole hopping and try to get back on them for you guys. I'm sure they're just schooling around in here, so let's keep working at it. Hooked up again here, guys. Oh no. It's a good fish. Woo. Be real careful. You got 2-pound test. Oh, there it is. Oh man. Let's get back down there. Marking 2, got on this one. There's not too many of them in here. I just literally walked this whole basin. I got about 35 holes in here, if not more, and I'm marking them like 20 feet down or so, 25 foot, well no, probably 15 foot down, halfway in the column. I'm in 25, 28 foot of water. This one was running with another one. Boy, aren't they beautiful, guys? Look at that fish. So awesome. And take them home and have a nice little fish fry with the family tonight. Well, that's it. They've moved on again. We got to keep going. Let's go hit the next hole.
Fucking dropped it.
No, he's there. Sit down, going at it. Isn't that fun, dude? Tip down.
Your reel's coming apart. Handle was coming off.
It's a walleye. It's a walleye.
It's a nice walleye too. Walker, come on.
I'll get this, you get the fish. Walleye!
Keep her
Woo!
there.
Nice, dude.
Hell yeah.
That's awesome.
That is awesome.
Just choke that freaking
Yeah,
sucker. Nice.
Dude, I want to see what they're eating. You know?
We'll have to cut them open and see.
I think I'll do that. Look at he sucked that one way in there.
Oh, there's one.
Yeah.
Nice.
Okay.
Yeah, but if they are, oh, yeah, that's what it is. If they're in the
Look, there's
count.
another one up there too.
Is it?
Yeah,